Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan Performante and this is by Bburago from the premium lineup. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. So this is what I was talking about. I even missed to show this in this previous video also. It has this window on this side that looks really nice. And okay, let me remove this from this wrapper. I don't know why they made it really hard to just slide it out. Okay, so this is a very hard acrylic case. It is really nice. It has carbon fiber pattern here. So let's get to the casting real quick. I don't want to waste any time on talking about the acrylic case. Okay. Fine. So now let's get into the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks good. And okay, you can see the engine detailing here. That looks really nice. And it has acrylic headlights. The logo placement is really good. It has good interior detailing to it. So the rear view mirror looks a little bit different. This is actually molded in this casting. It is metal. So and the interior looks really good. It has wiper detailing here. So the paint job on this one looks really good. I'm not seeing any issue so far. Okay, so this is a full metal body and okay, the spoiler is also metal and plastic chassis. So the tail lights are actually painted. I was not expecting that. I was hoping for a acrylic piece here, but anyways, it has painted tail light details. At least for the price point, I was expecting that. So the Lamborghini logo is not really aligned well. So you can see the Huracan Performante naming here, and it has opening parts. So the interior looks really nice, but the door hinge on this one, it is not really good. I don't know if it is the issue is with mine or everyone else's has the same issue. So if you have this particular casting from Burago, I mean in this particular series, do let me know that, because that is not really good. I mean you can see this not closing really well. I need to press it twice, and but the interior looks really nice, and it is having this true to the car wheels. It has rubber tires, and the grill detail and everything looks really good. So it does have suspension. Let's weigh this casting. 37 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Anyway, we are not going to consider this as an aspect for rating and all, but still it has free rolling wheels, so we need to try that. Rolls okay. So I do see some issues with this alignment on the wheel here. You can see. Let me try to zoom in there. You can see here It is not aligned very well, but this side looks good, but this side doesn't look really that well. So let me, okay, this casting has some issues. I don't know if it is specific to mine or everyone else has the same issue. Okay. So rating aspect, I would say 9 out of 10 because painted tail lights and the door hinge is not really good. I mean, it looks like a cheap knockoff, to be very honest. I mean, the past two castings, more specifically that Countach, that exceeded my expectations, but this one, honestly, I actually had a good amount of expectation, not too high, but this actually lowered it down. Even the headlights, okay, the headlight part I can agree because literally even Mini GT does the same, just painting, or putting some kind of a small paper kind of thing inside that small acrylic uh, piece. So at least these guys did, like full piece along with this, some painting on top of it. But rest of the things, I mean, doesn't fit really well. So I would give a 9 out of 10. So my suggestion would be maybe wait for a revision on this casting or at least check on different color. I don't remember this casting had any other color in that shop which I bought this one. Hmm, I don't remember at all, man. Okay, so in case if you are planning to get this one, just wait for it and just see if in case if you are able to open it up and see, just do that, or else please avoid this. Don't waste your money. But that Countach, that is absolutely phenomenal. You can go ahead and get that one, especially in that color. But this one, I don't suggest this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.